Welcome to our journey through the remarkable world of kidney health. In this video, we'll unveil the top 9 foods renowned for their extraordinary ability to cleanse and rejuvenate your kidneys. Our kidneys are silent heroes, tirelessly working to filter waste, balance essential minerals, and ensure our overall well-being. But they need the right support to continue their vital work effectively. That's where our list comes into play. Get ready to discover how you can nurture your kidneys and enhance your health with some simply yet powerful dietary choices. Before we dive into this flavorful adventure, remember to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and share your own kidney-boosting experiences in the comments below. Your interaction helps our community thrive and allows us to bring you more content like this. Let's spread the word about kidney health together. Number 9. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes aren't just a delight for your taste buds. They're a fortress of vitamin C. This mighty antioxidant plays a pivotal role in kidney health by preventing the formation of kidney stones and protecting your kidneys from oxidative stress. Integrate these tangy treats into your diet and give your kidneys the citrus shield they deserve. Number 8. Fatty fish. Swimming into number 8 are the omega-3 rich fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout. These fish are your kidneys' allies in combating inflammation, a notorious foe that can lead to kidney disease. The omega-3 fatty acids in these fish are like knights, guarding your kidneys against inflammation and ensuring their smooth functioning. So, reel in some fatty fish into your meals and bask in the ocean of benefits they offer to your kidney health. Number 7. Cranberries. At number 7, cranberries take the spotlight. These tart berries are not just for holiday feasts. They are kidney health powerhouses. Packed with antioxidants like proanthocyanidins, cranberries prevent bacteria from invading your urinary tract, shielding your kidneys from infections and potential complications. Include cranberries or pure cranberry juice in your diet and let these tiny, tangy defenders cleanse your kidneys. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic, the pungent protector, secures the 6th spot on our list. Beyond its flavor-enhancing properties, garlic contains allicin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. It's like a personal bodyguard for your kidneys, defending them against inflammation and infection. Incorporating garlic into your meals is not just a culinary delight but a strategic move for optimal kidney function. Number 5. Ginger. Ginger, the zesty root with a spicy kick, lands at number 5. Ginger is renowned not just for its unique flavor, but also for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant prowess. These properties make it an invaluable ally in safeguarding your kidneys against inflammation and oxidative stress. Whether used in cooking or as a warming tea, ginger is a delightful and therapeutic addition to your kidney-friendly diet. Number 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach and kale claim the 4th spot. These greens are the superheroes of the vegetable world, packed with vitamins A and C, folate, and antioxidants. They empower your kidneys to filter waste efficiently and protect them from damage. Embracing leafy greens in your diet is akin to providing a shield and sustenance to your hard-working kidneys. Number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries burst onto our list at number 3. These small but mighty berries are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that combat stress and inflammation, ensuring your kidneys' health and resilience. Savor the sweet and tangy flavors of blueberries and cherish the protective embrace they offer to your kidneys. Number 2. Cucumbers. Cucumbers claim the 2nd spot with their crisp and hydrating nature. These refreshing veggies are not just for salads, they're kidney health champions. High in water content and antioxidants like beta-carotene, cucumbers promote hydration, flush out toxins, and shield your kidneys from oxidative damage. Dive into the crunch of cucumbers and experience the dual benefits of hydration and protection. Number 1. Watermelon. And finally, at number 1, we have the hydrating and delicious watermelon. This summer favorite is more than a sweet treat. It's a kidney's best friend. Loaded with water and natural sugars, watermelon ensures optimal hydration. It also contains citrulline, an amino acid that enhances blood flow to the kidneys, aiding in efficient waste removal. Embrace the succulent sweetness of watermelon and quench your kidneys' thirst for health. Embarking on this flavorful journey through kidney-friendly foods not only cleanses and supports your kidneys, but also enriches your overall health. From the zesty citrus fruits to the hydrating watermelon, each food brings a unique set of benefits and flavors to your table. Remember, while these foods are beneficial, it's essential to tailor your diet to your specific health needs. Consult with a healthcare professional to ensure the best choices for your unique body. Embrace these kidney-cleansing foods and step into a world of vibrant health and vitality. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.